Welcome to Pro Cars channel. If you're someone who follows futuristic cars, upcoming vehicle designs, and next-generation mobility, then you're not early. You're ahead of the world. This channel is for people who don't just watch cars. They feel where the future is going. So before we go any further, make sure you subscribe. Hit like, because what you're about to see is not a regular Honda. This is something Honda has never done before. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Honda S60, a future-focused performance concept that quietly asks one question: what if Honda stopped playing safe? At first glance, this car doesn't scream, it doesn't beg for attention. Instead, it pulls you in. Let's start with the color. This deep teal metallic finish isn't random. It reflects intelligence, balance, and control. Not aggressive red, not flashy yellow. This color says, I don't need approval. Under natural light, the surface curves reflect smoothly, almost liquid-like, making the car feel alive even when standing still. This isn't a paint job. It's a statement. Now look at the front. Low nose, wide stance, minimal chaos. The headlights are razor-thin LED strips. Sharp, calm, and futuristic. They don't look angry. They look focused. The grille is compact and sculpted, a sign this car is designed for airflow efficiency and possibly hybrid or electric performance. The front bumper is smooth yet muscular. Air channels blend into the body naturally, not aggressively. This is mature performance design. From the side, this is where the S60 starts speaking loudly. A long wheelbase suggests stability at high speed. The roofline flows cleanly into the rear, coupe-like elegance. Flush door handles, aerodynamic side sculpting, low ground clearance. Everything here says, this car cuts through air, not noise. The wheels are large, dark, and deeply set, giving the car a planted, confident posture. This isn't built for drag races. It's built for control. The rear is where Honda gets bold. Slim, horizontal taillights stretch across the back, a clear future design signature. The rear bumper is clean, no fake vents, no drama, just precision. This tells us something important. Honda wants the experience to speak, not decorations. If this is electric or hybrid, this rear design makes perfect sense. Even without seeing the inside, we already know the philosophy. Expect minimal dashboard, digital cockpit, floating display, driver-focused layout, sustainable premium materials. This will not be luxury for showing off. This will be comfort for thinking. A cabin built for long drives, quiet speed, and mental focus. Honda hasn't revealed official specs, and that's intentional. But reading the design language, we can predict. Hybrid or full electric powertrain, instant torque, smooth acceleration, balanced weight distribution. This won't chase top speed numbers. It will chase driver connection. The kind of car that feels fast, without trying to scare you. Based on design, positioning, and future tech, expected range, $45,000, $65,000 USD. That places the S60 perfectly between daily premium sedans, entry performance EVs, affordable, but not common. The Honda S60 is not about speed, it's about evolution. It shows us Honda is done playing predictable. Honda understands future buyers. Honda is mixing emotion with intelligence. This car is aimed at people who think ahead. Because this car isn't just a concept. It's a direction. And at the end, I'll tell you something most people are missing about the Honda S60. Something that explains why Honda kept this design so quiet. Here's the truth most people don't see. The Honda S60 is not built to compete with Tesla. Not built to chase BMW. Not built to copy anyone. It's built for the next generation Honda owner, someone who values calm confidence over noise. This car isn't loud today because it's preparing for tomorrow. If you believe future cars should be smart, beautiful, and meaningful, hit like. If you want more first looks at upcoming vehicles, concepts, and future mobility, subscribe to Pro Cars channel. Because here, we don't chase trends. We read the future.